Hello and welcome to part whatever. Probably part one for you because you've probably never seen any of my other videos thanks to the YouTube algorithm. I keep going on about it, but if we don't keep exposing the bullshit, no one's going to bother or no one's going to care. Right, so this is a basket case blown up CRF250 engine. Most of the gearbox look like that. I'm now rebuilding it from November. It's almost April. I don't remember a thing about what I took off. So we are now looking at the parts diagram in order to try and make sense of what I need to reassemble. So I have got 27. Let's just turn these bags over because I can't see through the label. Right, 27 does look suspiciously like that splined washer. Before that we've got 24 and 15. Right, 24. I do hope I've brought enough parts. I don't have a part number for 24. But that fits nice. Now we got 15, which is a core support. No, that's not it. It's a blind one. So let's go back to the broken gearbox, which is now residing there. Yeah, right, yeah. Oh no, there's my, yeah, there he is there. Like he's still trapped under there. The washer that I need. And obviously the bush is gone. So although that is probably the same washer, it's not the right washer. So we'll just retrieve that, put that there. And just off shot behind you, I'm going to go to the vise and get a big hammer. Okay, so that was the same washer as that one. Right, assemble that. Back to the diagram. Right. 15. Bush. 23482. 23482. Okay, bush. Back to the drawing. Why's the drawing gone like that? Right, anyway. Now I'm putting it on dry, but fear not, I will lubricate all of this before we start building things back up. Now we want the gear I just took off, which is 14, and 14 has got a smashed up bush in it. That's it there. Right, 14 has got a smashed up bush and the dogs face inwards. Right. So that has got to have the bush removed. Back to the vise. 99 times out of 10 you will find a socket that is exactly the right size. Just to ease it out. Right. That's that one. We've now got a 27, which is the splined washer, I think. Let's just double check. 90451. Right, splined washer and then the snap ring. So where is my... Well, we have a splined washer here as well, so we've got more than one. I'll put the new one in. They're both the same, or are they? Let me have a look. Yep, both the same. Right. according to that, the snap ring now goes there. My new snap pliers are a little bit fiddly to use. I found it very fiddly to use. Come out of that groove, here you go. I'll go into that one. Right, let's just check that is in the groove. Because we haven't worked out why this exploded yet, but it did. Ooh, twist. Okay. Oh, next up is gear number 9. What did I buy new and what did I not buy new? He says. I believe I bought a new one. Now I've got to check which side. Right, bigger gear goes that side. So that's that. I believe I bought a new one because this one, yeah, this one's got some slight stamping on the on a couple of the gears there. There's ever so slight stamping on them. So I think that cost me less than a cup of coffee. So why not? Right. Now we've got 33 and 27. We know what they are because we've already used them. So there's your 27. Nope. 33 first. Is that right? All that free play there? Yeah, guess it must be. Right, okay. 33 again. Which I will be one day. Not too far off now, actually. Right, get that one properly in the slot all the way around. Yep. Right, 27. So that's your center thing, I think. And then we've got 18, which is inside number 17. So 18 is going to be the spliner. There. Ah, now, is it meant to line up with that oil hole? No, because there is a groove. There's 2 oil holes and there's a groove all the way around there, so no matter where you line it up, it will feed oil. So it would feed oil faster if it was directly in line. Haha, but it can't. Okay, you can't directly get it in line. So let's run it on 90 degrees out. Right. That is going. Don't like the drawing for that. But it's a no-brainer. It has to go. It has to go like that in order to engage. But according to the drawing, it looks like it fits another way around. But anyway, right. Okay. And then the next one is 24, which is probably a plain shim because it's going to rub against that one. And then we got number 6, which is a new gear because the other one's obviously damaged. Can't see a in or out on that, but it has got some writing on it, and I like to be whatever. So I'm going to put a right into the outside Now that is getting close to that shaft being built up. Apart from, I must have bought a 23. There. 23. 23. Let's just check 23. 23 is a 90405. 90405. Hello. Alright, you go on here down there, which leaves us with 35, which is a bearing, I think. 35 is the needle bearing, so that means I'm going to put the engine case in. That means I need to go over here a minute. I just realised I'm messing around with all this on the bench, and I've actually got a purpose-built engine stand over the back there, which I built especially for these. Right, so my needle bearing's in there. I'm a little bit concerned about that bearing. I might have to change that. How am I going to drop that like that, I think? Let's lift that one up. Right. So that is kind of in there, but it's all going to lock against each other because none of the selectors are holding anything in the right place. Now, that's the left side, so if we go with that, this is not going to fit with the rod in, so basically put one in. Oops. Put your second one in. I think he needs to go. Nope, that's not it. I'm looking down. Right, second one needs to go there. Third one, I'm gonna have to get my head in the shot a minute. Find the third one. There he is. Right, you get your third one in, lift him up into the drum where he's meant to be, which is there. And if you've got it all right, he says, there we go. If you've got it all right, it should all slowly go down into the hole. And that should give you, as long as you're in neutral, what you're looking for. Now, as I've had a blown up gearbox casing, there could be some other damage in this, which I'm going to have to investigate. So I've got one turning there. I don't seem to have anything turning here though, do I? What's going on here? Right, basically I'm going to have a good look at this just to make sure everything's nice, but it never will turn nicely with with the casing split. But as long as it is kind of functioning, that's what we want. Just off shot, I've warmed up the engine casing with a household hot air gun, and the bearing slid out quite easily. It looks like it's put in exactly the right place, so we'll put this retainer back in with KYJ outside, obviously facing the outside and a little squirt of Loctite for the threads that are going on the inside. Camera bounce there. Right, click, 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 click. There you go, that's torqued. Amazing, eh? Right then, now we need to introduce the two gearbox, shall I say the two engine casings, to each other. Hello sir, how are you doing? Oh, I'm doing fine. Oh good. Oh, I'm just about to drop this on you. Now, do we have any missing shims and things? Why has it done that? Go away. Right. My drawing shows me large gear and shim and bearing. Large gear, shim, bearings obviously in the casing, and this one, number 23, which is ooh, what are we looking at? I'm looking at the wrong side, aren't I? What am I looking at? What are you looking at? What are you looking at, you cleg nut? Yeah, that's small. Right, I've just built that one. So there's nothing on that end. Ah, no, it's clutch end, isn't it? Yeah, of course it is. It's the clutch end, so it'll have stuff elsewhere. Right. So everything clean? Yep. Right, you don't want to go beating the poo out of this. You just want to get interested in going together like that. Right, so now we are together. I want to go back over this side now and try to remember where you put your crankcase bolts. Right, this bit's boring. Right, the cases are together and lightly torqued up, and I've committed the cardinal sin of making a long video, so I'm going to have to end this now, otherwise no more than 2 people will see it. So we're carrying on with this on the next part later.